Welcome to my tutorial on how to use Beegle for disease gene annotation. Beegle is an online search and discovery engine that starts from literature mining to automatically identify known disease gene annotations. Then it integrates multiple genomic models to further generate novel hypotheses. Beegle is designed in a Google-like interface where we enter our query of interest in this search bar. For example, this can be depression or pregnancy in diabetics, or it can be Alzheimer's disease. If we proceed with Alzheimer's disease, we see that Beegle presents to us an ordered list of the genes that are known to be linked with our query. Beegle presents to us this list in 10 genes per page, which we can easily navigate among them. And per gene, Beegle presents to us from 1 to 3 abstract snippets in which the gene and our query are mentioned together. We can always view the full abstract by clicking on the PubMed ID, and we can always view the full list of abstracts that mention both the gene and our query together by clicking on the gene symbol. In addition, Beegle presents the top concepts that represent each of the ranked genes. This makes it easy to compare against the top concepts that represent our query of interest. We can always view the full concept profile by clicking on the Wordle button, which we can easily adjust in the way we like. Finally, to conclude this phase, we can always download the full list of known genes via this button. In order to proceed with the next phase and generate novel hypotheses, the first thing we need to select is a set of training genes. This can be directly added through our list of known genes, or we can always add to our training set via this button, like this. The second input that is expected is the set of candidate genes. This can be the whole genome, or it can also be a manual set of candidate genes. For example, here I can choose PSN1 and add it, and I can also choose TP53, for example, and add it. However, in this tutorial I would choose the whole genome to be prioritized, and now I'm ready to proceed to the next step and discover new genes. In this phase, Beegle integrates Endeavor as one of the state-of-the-art gene prioritization tools that build genomic models according to different genomic sources such as protein-protein interactions or gene expression profiles. Since we chose the whole genome as our candidate set, this might take up to 20 minutes to prepare the final ranked list. We might need to refresh that. Now, as soon as the prioritization is finished, Beegle presents the ranked list in a similar way. In addition to the global rank, Beegle also presents the detailed rank per data source. Similarly, we can always download the prioritized list of candidate genes through this button. At the end, we can always initiate new queries from our Google-like search bar. By this, we come to the end of our tutorial. Thank you for listening.